Hi, I'm Danny Buchholz, and I am the Director of Education for Encompass Real Estate School, as well as a real estate professional just like you. I am inviting you personally to my Lead Generation Mastermind high-level overview. It's an introduction to a brand new course that I've spent a year creating, and it is going to give you my exact process that I myself have used to create a referral-based business with clients that want to work with me, clients that aren't shopping me around, clients that aren't asking me for part of my income or treating me like a commodity. So if you want to stop paying for Facebook marketing that doesn't convert, using Zillow or Realtor.com leads that you have to chase that convert at a very low level, and you want to learn how to build your own referral-based network of clients that will come in steadily, provide you with referrals to other clients, please attend this mastermind so that you can find out how to do it yourself. I will teach you the exact process that you can follow to do just that, so that you have clients that want to work with you and that aren't going to be asking you to give up some of your income. I look forward to seeing you on July 19th. So feel free to register. The link is below this video and it will take you to Eventbrite. Just fill out the form. It is free to attend. All I ask is that if you register, that you please show up or cancel in advance so that your spot can open up for somebody else. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.